Heavy rainfall accompanied by hailstorms caused widespread damage to houses and crops in Manipur's Senapati district on Tuesday afternoon. Surrounding areas of Mao, including Chingmei Khullen village, were also affected. The storm caught residents off guard, leaving them grappling with the aftermath of the devastation. Hailstones, the size of marbles, pelted down relentlessly. Strong thunderstorms accompanying the hailstorm also caused significant damage, blowing away several houses and leaving residents without shelter. No injuries or casualties were reported.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.